Hi, I'm Marty Beard, the CEO of alwaysAI, and I'm super excited to present another installment of our business series on computer vision. This time we're going to be talking about transportation. We know that we're heading into a future where a majority of the population lives in urban centers, and we know that it's going to be crowded. There's going to be a high premium for getting from one place to another place as efficiently as possible. So let's talk about smart transportation. What exactly is that? Really, we're talking about new modes of transportation. We know that we are looking at a future that is increasingly autonomous. And here I'm not just talking about private vehicles like an autonomous car, but also public modes of transportation, buses, trains, ferries. But also we're seeing an explosion of what is called micro-mobility. Here we're talking about scooters, so-called e-scooters, e-bikes. There's a whole variety of smaller types of transportation that are increasingly being used as super efficient ways to get from point A to point B. So let's roughly break it down to how computer vision is helping inside of a vehicle and how it's helping on the outside of a vehicle. Frankly, sensors and vision are critical across all of these categories. Inside of a vehicle, it's really talking more about getting analytics and real-time data about the driver, if there is one, assessing fatigue and distraction, and really trying to prevent problems before they occur. But also in a driverless vehicle, let's take, for example, an autonomous bus, what is happening inside of the cab? You have situations of health emergency detection. Is anybody in distress? Does somebody need help? Crime prevention. Something's happening in one of these autonomous vehicles and authorities need to be alerted. Or just simple information like, are we at capacity? Do we have enough room inside the bus? So these are just some simple examples of how computer vision in real time is providing that information that the operator or fleet manager needs. Now let's talk about how computer vision can help on the outside of a vehicle. It's just more robust, real-time data helping navigation. So in the case of, for example, a scooter, you want to make sure that scooters are not on sidewalks where they're not supposed to be. Also, just lane analysis is somebody or a vehicle within a lane appropriately, or if it's an autonomous bus on a campus or a retirement community or some kind of a situation like that, is it in the areas that it should be? Secondly, it's also helping just providing surrounding information. So we're entering a world where we can get data about where am I in real time and what are some areas that I would like to be informed of. What are some areas that I'd like to learn more about? So it's providing me information about my surroundings as I'm navigating through, for example, a city. So again, this is all just sensors that are looking on the outside to help with navigation, provide information that's helpful for the rider or the fleet manager, and overall helping things become more informative and productive. So how can alwaysAI help you get going in this exciting new world of smart transportation today? Well, we already have models available, optimized for the edge. You can check out computer vision for in-cab monitoring. That's an easy implementation. That's basically sophisticated object detection. And you can check out computer vision for navigation. You can check out computer vision for fleet management support. Or you can use computer vision to drive new revenue-producing information. This is increasingly going to be the world where you're trying to inform the rider about what's in their surrounding environment that they might want to take advantage of. We have starter applications that are already built to really get you going very, very quickly, which you can then customize and optimize for your specific use case. And you can actually deploy and run that computer vision application on a huge variety of edge devices. So we're able to help you get going, deploy that application, and actually run it on the edge and start going to work with computer vision today. So come to alwaysai.co, sign up for a free account. We'd love to see you start building today, and we can't wait to see what you're going to do. Thank you very much.